Hi, this is Tim of the 1916 Company. Welcome and thanks for logging on. If you love this watch, email me, Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase pricing and availability questions concerning this watch. And this watch is a Rolex certified pre-owned Oyster Perpetual Submariner date in what Rolex calls Rolex yellow gold and 904L steel. This reference 126613 Lunette Bleu is 41 millimeters in diameter, 12.5 millimeters thick. It is 48.1 millimeters from lug to lug. And if you add the end links of the bracelet, the total distance across the wrist is 51.2 millimeters. It has a 21 millimeter spacing in between the lugs. We'll throw it on my wrist, which is 16 centimeters in circumference. Peel back the glove a little bit so you can see human arm. It's bigger than in the past, but my impression from measuring every single dimension is that compared to the 40, this watch is only about 7/10 of a millimeter larger in any given measurable dimension. So if you could wear the old one, you could wear this. My wrist is 16 centimeters. I think down to 15 centimeters circumference, you'll have no trouble wearing this. And yeah, it will fit underneath a tight cuff. Thin construction has been one of the long-term durable advantages of the Rolex Submariner versus almost all other ISO 6425 certified dive watches. So we still have a 300-meter case, screw-down crown, and trip lock. You can see trip lock in gold is 3 dots with a larger center dot. Everything else is 904L steel. Rolex at Rolex is a term they've been using since the 30s. It just means we have both gold and steel together. Not alloyed, not co-molded like the old Tridor bracelets, but conjoined by mechanical means. This is yellow Rolex. The 904L steel is a type of high nickel content steel that will not corrode in the presence of sea salt or sweat, even if it's not rinsed. That last part is key. 316L steel will corrode in the presence of certain types of salts and acids, if not rinsed immediately thereafter. Now we have removable links fixed by screws if you want to perform some sizing by that means. You can see you've got options on each side, including an intermediate size link right there. What we also have is glide lock. So this is a big advantage that a Rolex dive watch has over standard Rolex watches. This could be the decision maker by itself. Now you can see we've got increments, 2 millimeter increments, 10 of them for 20 millimeter adjustability. You can use this for sizing, or you could pull it out all the way and lock it out for use over a dive suit. The watch features a clasp that includes a lift lock system with a beak, a hook, and a spring, so you have to actually lift this to open it up. Even if the clamshell is not down, it should stay closed. It's a double locking clasp. Now you can see there's a little kerf underneath, so you can dig your nail in and pry up the little crown and open that first lock. Taking a look at the case, the super case, squared off lugs, sheer sides. We've known it for a while now. It's still imposing and still distinctive of modern subs. 120 click bezel, and by the way, the knurling on the side, you can see it has both polish and satin. It's a very sharp, pointy type of knurling that's easy to grip with wet, sweaty, or gloved hands, and given that I have to shoot these with gloved hands, I appreciate that immensely. Line up the sapphire capped bezel pearl, yes, Rolex sapphire caps its bezel pearl, with the minute hand, and now you've got a 0 to 60 minute count up timer. I often find dive bezels easier to read, more practical, and indisputably cheaper to service than chronographs for the purpose of timing increments. We've got Rolex Chromolite blue looms, so you can read it in the dark quite easily. Also note all 3 hands are loomed, including the second hand, so you know your 300-meter backup dive timer is functional. We've got a cerachrom blue ceramic scratch-resistant insert on the bezel with PVD deposits of yellow gold for the indices and numerals. We've got a slightly cambered sapphire crystal with a Cyclops eye magnifier, a metallic sunburst blue dial, and then yellow gold hands and indices, so they will never tarnish or oxidize with time. The watch does feature both hacking seconds and a quick set date, and also features instantaneous jumping date action, which let's see if we're there. Nope. We'll go all the way around so you can see how crisp and instantaneous the date jump on a Rolex caliber 3235 is. Just like that. And of course, the quick set. The watch features caliber 3235 bidirectional automatic winding with a rotor on a ball bearing. It's got 31 pivot-joules, a 4 hertz beat rate, 70 hours power reserve, Leica etched chronergy escape, and a thinner barrel than the 3135 with a larger mainspring, revised train wheels, full balance bridge with a free sprung balance for shock resistance, the free sprung balance also allowing for very precise regulation. We have an overcoil hairspring shaped by hand to a Breguet profile, so the watch keeps consistent time in any physical position relative to gravity on your wrist or your dresser at night. That anti-magnetic hairspring is made of a niobium zirconium alloy, blue oxidized. Rolex calls that cerachrom blue. So this watch is shock resistant, courtesy of the free sprung balance and the full balance bridge. 300 meters water resistant thanks to this oyster case and triplock crown. Thanks to the niobium zirconium blue oxidized cerachrom blue hairspring, it is also highly anti-magnetic. Movement is a COSC certified chronometer, but Rolex then cases it up, adjusts it in 6 positions to keep time no worse than -2 + 2 seconds per 24 hours, hence superlative chronometer. If you love this watch, reach out to Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase and pricing details. Rolex certified pre-owned watches are backed and authenticated by Rolex. Should any reconditioning be necessary, it will be to a Rolex certified standard, and any parts invested Rolex factory original. Should the initial retail box, paper, and accessory set still accompany the watch, it will be included with the sale. But no matter what, a certified pre-owned box and paper set starts with an outer box, a leatherette travel pouch with suede lining, a warranty card that embodies the 2-year globally valid Rolex-backed warranty. Note, this is not a retail warranty, but backed by Rolex and actionable at any of its authorized points of sales and service. A leatherette wallet includes the warranty terms and conditions manual. A holographic hang tag marks this as a certified pre-owned Rolex watch, and a manual details Rolex's values as a company. The certified pre-owned program: care, feeding, service, and use of your Rolex, locations of points of sales and service, and details of Rolex.com. Rolex certified pre-owned watches are backed only by Rolex.